Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 91 of the Indian Penal Code. So far we have discussed about consent, but even the consent is immaterial when the consent is given if anything which is against public policy or immorality or decency or public order. So in these cases consent is immaterial because after all a law-abiding person has to obey all the rules and regulations. So today in this video we will be discussing about section 91. We will analyze it and understand it with example. But before starting the video, I request everyone to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get notification of all the updates. Friend, I also request you to please visit our YouTube channel page because there are lots of playlists over there on different categories like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC, and there are very informative and knowledgeable videos. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 91. Today we are going to understand section 91. What is in the section 91? So before analyzing it, let's read what is given in the Bare Act under section 91. So section 91 of the Indian Penal Code says exclusion of act which are offences independently of harm caused. The exception in section 87, 88 and 89 do not extend to acts which are offences independently of any harm which they may cause or be intended to cause or be known to be likely to cause to the person giving the consent or on whose behalf the consent is given. It means there are few acts which has been excluded, as we have read the earlier section under section 87, 88 and 89, particularly of the medical negligence. There are few section like few action which are still even the consent do not matters. For example, if a woman want miscarriage or if a miscarriage is carried out on a woman despite of her consent, this is an illegal act because consent of a pregnant woman and the consent of the unborn child is not the same. So this consent is immaterial and it's a criminal liability. There is a public policy on that. Similarly, if somebody with consent gives anything, does something immoral or indecent, then again it is an offense. It will attract the penal provision. And if somebody does anything with consent which is disturbing the public order, so again it is a nuisance, even though he is doing it with his consent, but still it will constitute the penal provision under the Indian Penal Code. So the consent is an important part, but it is not everything, because above all the public policy, the morality, the decency, it all matters. So even if somebody is agree to do something which is against the public policy like abortion, so abortion or miscarriage of a child, unborn child, so it is illegal, even though it is done by the pregnant woman, but still it is illegal. Now again, if somebody wants to do something which is immoral or indecent, then again it will attract the penal provision. So this is all about section 91, where even the consent is not everything. There are some public policy morality, the code for morality and decency are also required in doing a few things. So this is all about section 91 of the Indian Penal Code. So please write down your views and opinion in the comment box, and also like it and share it with your friend and colleagues. So I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.